Everyone has irritating hair on their body that they feel the need to get rid of. One of the most effective ways to permanently remove hair from the body is to use the laser hair removal method. More and more people, especially women, are choosing this treatment method and are starting to leave other conventional methods such as waxing and cream removal. However, even though it has become a very popular method in recent years because of its instant, fast, effective and long-term way of getting rid of it, there are still many myths and misconceptions surrounding this treatment, especially perhaps among some people who are skeptical about this method. However, experts have debunked the myths most commonly associated with laser hair removal. Curious about what myths exist regarding the use of laser technology? Listen carefully to these reviews. Myth number 1. The technology hurts patients. Despite using modern technology, laser hair removal has proven to be painless. However, this myth may arise as a result of the different sensations and pain experienced by different patients. That is, it is difficult to differentiate between each individual and what they will experience post-treatment. Many myths say that the first laser treatment is the worst or most painful part, but in reality the majority of people only experience a momentary tingling sensation. The pain from laser hair removal is actually no more painful than waxing. In fact, this technology is believed to be safer and faster than waxing because it does not cause bleeding. Sounds very safe, right? While it is true that laser hair removal technology does not completely guarantee the patient will be pain-free, it is important to know that there are many solutions offered by your therapist to make it as painless as possible. For example, the therapist may provide a cool fan that is built into the device, specially formulated lotion, and adjusted laser settings. Myth number 2. Lasers won't work on dark skin. There are indeed certain times when the laser does not work on dark skin, but current technological advances show that hair can be removed from darker skin. Therefore, make sure that your practitioner has the most up-to-date system prior to treatment and ensure that their credibility is fully registered and qualified. Myth number 3. Effective results take years. Who says this? You may be surprised that you only need 4 to 5 treatments at most to remove about 90% of all unwanted hair. In addition, patients are usually advised to have their top-up session every 6 to 8 weeks. In conclusion, it only takes a few months to see the maximum change in results. However, again, this all also depends on your financial situation and whether you can afford further treatment. This means that it's completely up to you whether you want to retreat to cover several years or not. Myth number 4. This treatment must be too expensive. Because the technology is sophisticated, people think it must be expensive. However, this procedure is accessible to everyone on any budget, especially when compared to the cost of regular waxing for the rest of your life. The cost of laser hair removal in total does increase with each visit, but this really all depends on how large the area is to be lasered. If you only want your upper lip done, this will of course be much cheaper compared to your back area, which is a much larger area and will certainly take longer. Therefore, discuss with your consultant beforehand to agree on pricing issues. While it may seem expensive at first, this laser method is a much more cost-effective way to treat unwanted hair, much better than constantly buying razors that also risk injuring your skin. Myth number 5. Laser beams are dangerous. The thing to note is that laser hair removal treatments use laser technology that pulls the pigment in the hair follicles, meaning the laser only targets the hair follicles and nothing else, including your underlying skin. It leaves the surrounding tissue unaffected, uninjured and unscratched, and has been proven safe to use on millions of clients. Many studies have also proven the safe nature of laser hair removal. Make sure that you do the treatment in a quality clinic with the right technicians and treatments so that there is no risk at all. Myth number 6. Laser hair removal will cause hair to grow thicker. This is a very silly myth. Laser hair removal will actually inhibit hair growth between 10 to 25%. There is a reduction in hair density, thickness, and the rate of hair growth, which can be detected in further sessions. In fact, hair that eventually grows back will usually be much finer and lighter than before, so areas that were once problematic may be reduced even as hair grows back. Myth number 7. Laser hair removal can leave scars. The risk of scarring from laser hair removal is rather small and is a function of many things such as the experience, skill, knowledge and training of the doctor who performs laser hair removal, as well as how far you're trying to cure the amount of pigment in your hair. The skin is at greater risk for darker skin types and the type of laser used. Myth number 8. Your hair will grow back after pregnancy. It is not uncommon for hair to grow back after the baby is born. This is because it is nearly impossible to target 100% of your hair follicles during your treatment. Dormant follicles may start producing hair due to fluctuations in hormone levels in your body after you give birth. However, this is usually only 1 or 2 invisible hairs. It is not recommended for mothers who have just given birth to do top-ups until hormone levels return to normal. Don't believe in myths. Immediately consult a professional for accurate information. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Visit Exhale Laser Clinic, the New York City Queen's top hair removal centre. To make an appointment, call us at 718 504 6565.